Hey all, it's been a while since my last post, so hey everyone, I'm back, and yeah, it's been a little while. Ubering has been on and off in January, and it is the quietest month of the year for this. I started in January last year, so I kind of, get that January would have been a bit quieter this year. Today's post is about GST, everyone's favourite subject. As some of you may have heard, GST is payable on all fare, not just the portion that we're paid. We have to pay on Uber's portion as well, because they don't pay any tax in Australia. So I've already stated this in some comments, replied to a particular person who made that point, but we just at this stage have to deal with it. If we band together and put enough pressure on parliamentarians, then they will act. But at this stage, there aren't enough of us saying anything about it. So I encourage you to unite and talk, and if you're in forums, to look at action groups, because it's a big deal. In my opinion, it's a big deal. So anyway, if you are out there and you feel as strongly as I do about the fact that it's quite unfair that we should be paying tax for Uber, then say so. Write a letter, make a phone call. We need to make more of a big deal out of it. Strengthen numbers, right? Now, on to GST. GST is due again, and if you aren't registered, get registered, because I just read an article that the ATO will be cracking down on anyone who isn't, and that is not good news for anyone who's not. So if you don't have an ABN, get an ABN and get it registered for GST and start doing your GST. So this video is for people doing their GST for the first time for their Uber work. It's pretty straightforward. Look, basically, any GST you pay, any tax essentially that you pay on services or goods that you use during the 3-month term that it's for on your slip, on your GST slip. So if it's October to December, right guys, for this one, during that period, whatever you spent on your business, all the GST portion for your business use of the car, that's very important. So business use could be 50% and personal use 50%. So if your GST, you calculate that you've paid so much GST for petrol, say it's $50, whatever it is, then only $25 of that $50 can go towards your deduction. Then you calculate how much GST you earned through Uber, and you take away that $25 from the GST you earned for those 3 months. It's as simple as that. You can do it for your phone as well. Any other car expenses that you paid GST on, whether it was maintenance, whether it was cleaning products, registration, if it fell within the term of that GST period, you can do it. And then again, when it's tax time, your accountant or you will be calculating all your deductions, but you will obviously take away all the GST that you deducted during your GST periods as well. So you won't be double dipping. So this is the important thing. I will go into more detail next time. I don't want the video to go too long, because you know what I think of long videos. Boring. Alright, so if you have any questions, email me. It's in my front page of my YouTube, or you can just put something in the comments. Until next time, Uber on.